जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindhakanda. Sampati saying to Vanaras, "Oh Vanaras, now you all have to start thinking about how to cross this ocean. And also, can you please do me a favor? You please take me to that ocean. I wanted to do Tarpanam to my brother Jatayu." When Sampati requested like that, Vanaras have taken Sampati to that bank of the ocean. He did Tarpanam, and again Vanaras brought Sampati back. Then Vanaras saying to Sampati like this, "Oh Sampati, Gatir Bhava, now you are only the source to us. Please tell us, where is Sita Devi? Who abducted Sita Devi? And who has seen while someone is abducting Sita Devi? Tadakhyatu Bhavan Sarvam." Can you please tell us all those details? Like this, Jambavan and other Vanaras requested Sampati. And also Vanaras saying that, "Ko Dasarathi Bananam Vajravega Nipatinam." Oh Sampati, who is that? How dare that he did abducted Sita Devi? Did he not know about the powerful arrows which are shooted by Sri Ramachandra Swami would definitely peel out him? Did he not know about Swayam Lakshmana Muktanam na Chintayati Vikramam? About Lakshmana's arrows, how powerful those are. Probably he didn't have any idea about these severe consequences. Like that, when Vanaras said, Sampati now responding to Vanaras like this, "Oh Vanaras, I have been living on this mountain for so long time. I am very old and I don't have enough strength, patience to even earn my own bread and butter. That is why my son Suparsva is taking care of me. He brings food for me every day and he is taking care of me." Oh Vanaras, probably you all know that Tikshna-kamastu Gandharvaha. Naturally Gandharvas will have so much desire. Tikshna-kopa Bhujangamaha. Naturally, all the snakes will have so much anger. Mruganantu bhayam tikshnam. Naturally, animals will have so much fear. Tataha tikshnakshuddhavayam. Being birds, we naturally have so much hunger. And one day what happened is, my son Suparsva did not bring me food. In addition to that, he came very late. Then with so much hunger, in addition to that, with so much anger, I scolded him, I shouted him a lot. Then my son Suparsva, with so much patience, what he said is, "Oh my dear father, as usual, I went to earn bread and butter for you. I flew into sky, went to Mahendra Parvatam, and right at entrance, I was standing to see if I can catch hold some animals and so that I can bring it to you for food." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.